Hey everybody, this is Lewis of the Billionaire Vlog, and this is going to be video number 9. I want to talk to you guys about the importance of having life insurance. And I know that maybe a lot of you guys watch Dave Ramsey on TV, and he'll talk about term insurance, and he'll talk about how stupid it is to get whole life coverage because you can get way more for a whole lot less. And depending on your age, that might be the smart way to go. Okay, because maybe if you're in your 30s, you start a small family, then yeah, you definitely want to be able to secure the mortgage and you definitely want to be able to secure your children's educational future. But when it comes to senior citizens, I want to talk about this subject for a second because seniors get taken a lot. There's all kind of scams, there's all kind of people taking advantage of them, and they don't really know where necessarily to turn. So let me explain a couple things about insurance first of all. Insurance basically is a way to actually leverage a small amount of money for a very large benefit amount. So let's say, for instance, you're 62 years old, you're about to enter full retirement through Social Security. You want to make certain that your kids are covered because you know full well they don't have the money to cover you in case of a death. I mean, I'm going to tell you right now, funerals are getting to be way more expensive. So you want to make certain that they have enough money, that they don't have to come out of their bill paying power to actually take care of your funeral. Not every funeral service wants to work with you, okay? The thing about it is that you'll be very hard pressed to find somebody who's willing to take a payment arrangement. Okay, I don't care how many siblings you have. You think you can split the cost? Everybody's got bills, and it's tight for everyone. I know because I'm dealing with it right now, and that's why I felt it was important to go ahead and do this video. So here's the deal: when you're dealing with life insurance, you want to, number one, make certain you stay away from the scam companies. And I'm not going to put those names out there. What I will do is actually give you scenarios. I don't want to get litigation against me or anything like that from any crazy company that says we're not a scam. How dare you name us? Well, here's what most scam companies will do. They will send you boatloads of literature in the mail. Okay, you don't want that stuff from them. Okay, you don't want anything talking about guaranteed issue. Unless you were maybe on life support and the only thing you could do was fog into a mirror. I mean, really, if you can actually talk and speak for yourself and answer a few health questions, you can get some really great coverage, and there's a lot of great companies out there that will offer it to you. Don't think just because you have one health issue, I've got heart disease or I've got, high blood pressure, hypertension or whatever, don't think you're disqualified immediately. Here's the deal. A lot of companies don't take certain things, but a lot of companies take them, and they actually word their applications a little bit differently. I happen to know because I'm a life insurance agent, but I'm not just an agent for one company. I'm an agent for multiple companies. So I can tell you this, that if I can't get a person on one product just because they have one stipulation, let's say, for instance, a person takes Lasix. I've got one company that will not touch you if you take Lasix, no matter what it's for. But Lasix used primarily for, congestive heart failure, okay? Realistically, it's a water pill. Okay, if you have, let's say, for instance, an edema, and you take it because of that, and you want to get rid of excess fluid, then another company will take you. Okay, but it's all about having access to multiple types of insurance. So a good agent, hopefully, that agent is not an agent of directly of the company. The agent will be an agent who works at an agency that has multiple companies they work with, which means they can also get the best rates for you as well. Okay, just understand, as your health decreases and declines, your insurance costs are going to go sky high. So here's the deal. Get the insurance while you're young, and I would suggest getting whole life, no matter what Dave Ramsey says, okay? Because the deal is this. You get term for the big stuff, but you get whole life because it's permanent. And if you're young enough, you can actually go ahead and get, and it's my kids knocking on the door here now, so I'll try and cut it a little bit shorter, but here's the deal. As young, if you're young enough, get whole life coverage. It's cheap. And you don't have to pay forever on this. You can actually get a 10 pay, a 20 pay, paid up at age 65. There's so many different options, it's not even funny. Okay, so whatever the king of finance tells you, that's good and dandy, and it works for a lot of poor people. But, I'm still interested in getting rich, okay? So I'd much rather actually make my money work smarter for me and not me for it. All right. I'm going to go back to those subjects in a little bit. I'm actually going to put out a couple more videos this year. I don't know how many I'm going to be putting out. Just to be perfectly honest, my life's been kind of hectic, so I haven't been able to actually get to the video making process too long. So, but I thought this was important. A lot of people need to have insurance. They don't have insurance. Oh, I can't afford it. I can't afford it. It's too expensive for me. I just had a guy who I wrote a policy for, and he made me mad because it's like, you know what? He had $3,000 of life insurance. What the heck is his daughter going to do with that? And then, of course, he had all this just, this discretionary income that he wasn't using for anything but his own pleasure. I'm like, dude, seriously? This isn't even up for conversation. Let's just go ahead and get your daughter some insurance. I got her an additional $7,000, and I said, dude, this is not even up for, discussion. You love your daughter, right? Let's just do this. A lot of people are selfish. So don't be selfish. Get your kids some insurance because you know what? You're not trying to make them rich, but you're definitely trying to not put them in a poorhouse either, okay? Take care of your loved ones, all right? No matter what, they're still your kids, all right? I don't care what they've done. They don't deserve to have, a humongous debt thrown on their plate, okay? They've got kids of their own, all right? Stand up and do the right thing. That's basically it. Okay. You guys take care. Have a good one. And I'll definitely be putting out a few more videos. Hopefully, my schedule can actually get opened up a little bit better so I can go ahead and start putting out even more videos. You know what? I'm not getting really very many comments. You know, let me know what you think. I mean, should I even continue these videos? Are they even worth it to you guys? That's what I want to know. Because if I'm not helping anybody, what's the point of me doing the videos? Let me know, seriously, because it's important to me, the information that I have to share. But if it's not important to the rest of you guys, then I'm just going to go ahead and drop it. Be perfectly honest, I think this is some great information that everybody can benefit from. So, let me know how you feel. Comment, rate, subscribe. Well, you can't really rate. The weird system on YouTube now is basically thumbs up. Yeah, that's great. I like the star system better. If they can ever go back to that, that'd be cool. But, it's not up to me. So, thumbs up, guys. I'll see you later.